Hello and welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. It's super high graphics again. So today I want to show us how to make a simple, beautiful book cover and how we can. I'll try and compile it with the video of how you can mock it up using a particular website of choice. Okay, here we are. First thing, delete what you have on your screen. Okay, now let's set the background size of the book cover that we want to design. So under image size, the first one here, just enter 700. Okay, then the second one, you just type in 1000. Okay, that's the size, like 7:10 ratio. Okay, all right, here is the size. The next thing to do in this design now is just to change let's get the color of the background that we want to make use of. So you just come to background here, then you come to color, come to ordinary color, then you can just give it a white color and it will give you something like this, exactly like this. Okay, now the next thing is, for this the book cover that I want to design, I have an image in mind. So I went to a particular website that I do use to get my animation. I paid for this to be able to get this site. So I'll just create a folder for those that have got my premium designing materials. I'll create a folder for us and start uploading all these animation files that I'll be getting consequently, so you can always get this there, but I'll make this available for us to download and rehearse also. So let's bring in the animation. Okay, right here is the animation file that I want to design, that I want to make use of. I had to design this myself to get this. So all you just have to do while this is here, you can reduce the size but ensure it fits on the page. Just ensure it fits on the page, like from okay, so you can position it anywhere of choice, something like this. Now for this to be, I'll just come here and come to eraser. I don't want this pop-up icon of text, so I'll just come to eraser and increase this and increase the handle, and just click and wipe out this part. So I'll just wipe out this part and just okay that. Okay, good, now I have it. The next thing that I want to do in this design now is to write the name of the book. So I'll just come here and type in sunrise. So I'll just something like, first let me type sunrise. Okay that. Now just bring this to the center and let's go to font and select a very beautiful font that we can make use of for this design. So for a book cover design, usually it has to be bold, that when people just see it, it will catch their attention and they want to open the book. So you have to use a bold font, something like this. Okay, now sunrise, here is it. Make it as bold as this. Now okay that, and just place it somewhere here like this. Now good, the next thing is create another text, and just type in, let's see, the name of the book is The Sunrise, so I want to create them separately. Okay, and just bring this one here back, and just place this one here. Now let's go for a font that will suit this design. So you just look for any font that will relate with the first one that you have used. So I think I can make use of something curvy. When I'm talking about something curvy, what usually comes to my mind are this group of fonts. Let me see if I can find them. Okay, something like this, but no, this one will not fit. But you can just use anything that will really suit your design. Sometimes I make use of blocks and sandboard. So typographical, these two usually is what I make use of when I think of something curvy. So I made use of this. Okay, great. I like that. So I just come back and okay that. Okay, now this is it. I'll just strategically position it. So you position it very well using position, something like this. I want there to be a proper alignment. You can see this. Okay, just duplicate this also. You can bring it down here and edit it. Now, since we have written the sunrise, the next thing is club. Okay, capital letter. Okay, that you can see the alignment. So you just align it like this. So you just align it like this. You can see that. Okay, great. The next thing is for this design to be really colorful and beautiful, let's change the color of this. Since we are talking about sunrise, let's change the color of this text. Okay, so we can just give it some kind of color relating with what we have that I've designed on this before. So I'll just come to the plus sign and come and pick a color from this. So I'll just pick something like this. Since we are talking about sunrise, sunrise is always about something like yellow or orange color. So this will suit very well. So you can just do something like this. Now, usually there is some kind of description, that a simple or single line word that can capture what the title is all about. So you can just type in whatever it is. I think that's own your money and okay, like own your money and live your life and enjoy your life or something like that, and live your life, like take charge. Okay, let me change it to take charge of your money. Be in charge of your money and enjoy your life. And enjoy your life, something like this. You can just make this. No, let me make this. Okay, I want to make the initials capital letter. Okay, something like this. You can see this. Okay, good. Now just okay this you don't really need any form of font, but you can still add a font if you so wish. You can still add a font to it. I want to make everything on a single line, something like this. Let's check via size. Okay, you can reduce the size as much as you want. I feel these things that I'm typing as the description is not really the perfect word, but I just needed to add something to show us what this really is. So I don't want it to be longer than the title that I have above, so I'll just take the time to something like this. To really get this right, you can just come to positioning and just center it like this. Okay, good. But I still feel like there's something that we can add that will make this really beautiful. So I went to search, and every design requires research. So after making a research, I added something to it to beautify it, which is what I got. What I got is something like a sunrise, like a moon. Okay, since we are talking about sunrise, here is what I will add to it. So since we are talking about sunrise, it's to be good if you can just add something like a rising sun or thereabout. You can see this. So all you can do is just take this and come to opacity and reduce the opacity, so as it won't cover what you have there, but anybody that sees this, they can easily picture the sunrise that is above it, like the wake of the morning. So just send this to the back, like just send it to the back so it will go up behind the text and the image. And here, to avoid any interruption, you can easily lock that and lock them to avoid distortion of your design. Okay, and here we have it. This is a beautiful book cover design without any stress. You can see that. Now the next thing that I will do is I will show us how we can mock it up to really look like a book, like mock. Okay guys, welcome to the other side of this book cover design, where I will be mocking it up for us. So we'll just open your Chrome browser or whatever browser that you use, and then you just type in smartmockup.com, like smart mockup, something like this. Just search for this and it will bring you a page like this. You get to see something like this. You can see this. Just click on the first one and it will bring you to a website where you can easily mock up. So to mock up something like a book or something, you come under print. Under print, then you scroll down, you can see lots of things that you can use as mockup. So you come to books. Under books, you see a lot of style, a lot of things that you can make use of. So you just give it time to load. Here, lots of mockup files that you can use. But this one, I'm looking for a specific, like a book cover, something like this. You can use any of this, but let me get something else. Okay, let me use this as an example. So you just click on it to open it like this. Now the next thing is to come to, you give it time to load. Ensure you have good network. Okay, here is it. You just open this. Now it will bring you something like this. You then come to upload from. You can see this. Just click on it to bring you a pop-up like this. Then you click on upload image. Just upload image, then download. So it will bring you to your folder. Now you must have had that design that you made. You must have it downloaded to, that's from your Pixellab. It will be under your Pixellab folder as usual. So you just come and click on the download folder and you give it time to load. And you can see our book cover design. You can see how beautiful this looks. You can see this, like sunrise, and you can see a lady like she's exercising, or you can still interpret it like she's excited at sunrise because she looks forward to something. So be in charge of your morning and live your life. Yeah, so this is how to mock up. There are lots of other mock-ups that you can make use of. So this is how to do it. Thank you for watching. All you just have to do before I go is you can just, to download this, you can see download right here. So you just click on download like this. There are three options: high and super high, just like my name. But yeah, so the only one that is free for you to make use of is the medium. So you can just, once you click on this, it will start downloading. You can see it's indicating like it's loading, and yeah, you just go back to your phone folder and it will be. Let me open our, so here is our download. This one right here you are seeing is in my phone folder. So thank you for watching. That is how to make a book cover and download it without, and mock it up without stress. If you are new to this channel, kindly do well to hit the like button and subscribe. God bless you.